You see something?
The baby's in there.
Let's see, you see them?
Oh, yes, I see them.
Wow.
I see nice ones in
Wow.
there. One baby.
They're good sized crabs.
They're wonderful sized
One little
crabs.
tiny bait crab. Well, Sam and Joyce here. We're over Suwannee, Florida again.
Freezing.
Freezing, yeah. And we're going to set our crab trap, see if there's any crabs here. We set some at the seawall at our place, but there wasn't any crab, one crab this morning. So we're going to give it a shot anyway and see if we can catch some here. So we'll get back to you while we're setting the traps. Well, we got various types of bait today. We got pogies, we got some sand trout. What was that, Joyce, you just put in?
Mackerel.
That was some mackerel. A little bit of everything. That's mackerel there.
There's a bluefish.
Yeah, we haven't caught any bluefish in a while. All right, Joyce, put the first one right here. Okay, Joyce, let's try one here. Hope for the best. Okay, Joyce, put the third one here. We only got 5 traps today.
Thank goodness.
It's too cold.
Too cold.
It don't look very promising. It's kind of cold out. We just wanted to give it a try over here. All right, Joyce, set one here. Well, we're going to go pull our traps. They've been sitting overnight, so we'll see how we do. And before we pulled them, we did a little bit of fishing, and we didn't do much. We caught a few short redfish. So I'll show you a clip of the catching the redfish, then we'll get to pulling the traps.
Got the bottom like me.
No, I don't have a bottom. Ain't big. Let's see. What's it? Little tiny redfish. He's not real tiny.
No, he ain't real little.
He's sure not a keeper.
No. It's pretty.
Yeah, they're pretty.
The color is so nice on him.
Look at the color of them.
Yeah, like golden.
Okay, we'll get him when he gets keeper size. I don't know what we got here. At least it's a fish.
That's right. Doesn't act like a catfish.
Not a catfish. Oh, we got another little redfish. From the nursery. They're pretty anyway. At least they're fun to catch.
Nice eating size.
Like on a miserable day like this, we're going to take the other boat, go offshore, but there was, what, 4 to 6 foot seas, as usual here. We're over at Suwannee. And so we decided to take this boat and go up the river and see what we could catch. So maybe we'll get something good.
We're going to get one to eat.
Catch dinner. We got to catch dinner. There you go.
Oh, maybe it's something we can eat.
Maybe. Oh, big catfish.
That's a nice sized catfish.
Yeah.
Wow, he is a nice size.
Well, we got another line tangled in it. See it?
Oh, yeah. It's not mine because mine's in the
No,
boat.
it's not yours.
Look, the circle hook.
Oh, that's the one that got broken off. That's the one I broke off.
Is that the
Isn't
one
that
you...
weird?
Oh, that is really weird. Look at that. It's cool looking.
How about I let my...
Yeah, there's your circle hook back.
Just lost the weight.
Yeah. That's like really weird.
Yeah. Well,
That don't happen that often.
I don't
Even
know
got
how it
yeah, but you got the bait still on it.
still on the bait. Broke off.
Yeah, look at that.
The weight must have got caught, but then there's still a lot of line left on it. That's
Yeah.
weird. Okay. Looks like another short redfish.
Wow, he's fighting.
He's a fighter.
Oh, he might not be short.
Yeah, they're getting
They're
bigger.
getting bigger. Look how pretty. He's beautiful.
Yeah, they are so pretty here.
Mm-hmm. He might be a keeper. He's real close.
He's not a keeper.
He's real close.
He's real close,
Yes.
but he's not a keeper. Look at the
Oh.
colors up. So pretty.
Yeah, but we gotta measure him just in case.
All right, we're coming up on our first trap.
It's cold and wet.
Yeah, it ain't even too cold now.
Yo.
This morning it was cold.
Yesterday was real cold when we set
When
him.
we set them,
Yeah,
yeah.
it was freezing. At least the rain stopped.
Yeah. Well, there wasn't that much rain.
Ooh,
You see something?
The baby's in there.
Let's see, you see them?
Oh, yes, I see them.
Wow.
I see nice ones in
Wow.
there.
Heck, that's a,
One baby.
they're good sized
They're
crabs.
wonderful sized
One little
crabs.
tiny bait crab. That's a surprise. I didn't think we'd get that
look
many.
at that. That's a nice sized crab.
That's a good sized crab for over here.
Wonderful size.
And they're nice and yellow. You see this crab? This crab's going to have a lot of meat in them. Nice and rusty color, dirty there. So this is going to be a good, and it's heavy.
That's mine.
Hey, you always take the big ones.
Yes.
Well, we're coming up on our second trap.
Uh-oh.
Nothing. Wonder what that's all about. Look like somebody touched it.
No. Oh no, I
Just
hope right there.
when we moved and we scattered all these traps out, so
It's just a bad spot.
just to see where they were. This is a number 3 trap. We got 5 traps today. That's all we set today.
Oh, yes.
Ah,
More.
all right.
Look at that one. That one's
We know don't set it another spot. That's a
Yeah.
shame we put that
Yeah, I
there.
know. I messed up. That one's real. Look
Okay, this is good.
They're yellow. Look at them.
Yeah,
Really,
that's the
nice.
main thing.
Yeah.
Is you could have twice as many crabs, but they're poor, no meat in them. But these are
Look
meaty
at that one
crabs.
there. He's big and muddy. Wow, look, I can't believe how yellow he
Look
is.
at them. Yeah.
Look.
Look.
Oops, he
Oh,
fell
that
down.
one he fell down. That's what you want.
Yeah, he's like really yellow.
You
His
can get him
crap
over.
is-
Look.
Yeah.
See the color of that crab? That's what you want. That crab's gonna be, he's heavy and he's gonna be full of meat.
Yeah, he's real yellow.
Yeah, that's a good crab. And there's nobody crabbing here. The commercial guys aren't crabbing.
That was all them little tiny fish.
Bunkers.
Bunkers, yeah.
Well, we're coming up on the 4th one. I hope it's as good as the
They're
2 of the other ones.
Yeah.
You see him? You see him? I see one. You see more than one? Oh, wow. 5. That's a surprise.
That's a. Oh, look, they're still got yellow. Look. He's missing a claw, but he's beautiful.
Oh, yeah, that don't matter.
Mm-mm.
Wow, look at them crabs. These are good crabs, and nobody's out here crabbing. Well, they're not everywhere. We just lucky found the spot.
Oh my.
I mean, this isn't far from the best we've ever done, but it was a big surprise. We didn't think we were going to do well at all.
No. It's worth getting ate up with bugs.
A lot of gnats out, right?
A lot of gnats.
No seeums.
Oh, and they're wet and just itch so
They
bad.
drive you crazy.
They're whole.
Yeah, well, it's still nice to be out here.
Oh yeah, it's still nice.
Well, it's our last one. See what we got. Quite a ways from those good traps. What we got? One crab. A nice crab.
Yeah.
But, yeah, we know not to put that one here either.
No. At least there's one in it.
Yeah, one skunked. Well, we had a great time today, and we caught 13 quality crabs. These are good crabs. They're going to be full of meat. And we were kind of surprised we caught this many, because when we set the traps, there wasn't any other buoys or any crab traps in sight. So I thought we were just wasting our time. So we set them anyway, and I'm glad we did, because this is always worth going out and getting this many crabs of this quality. So we're going to head in now.
Yes, I can't
Right?
wait. The bugs are eating
And
me
the bugs are
alive.
eating Joyce.
Oh, they're horrible things.
So she still got her jacket on, but it actually warmed up. It was cold earlier, and it's warming up. Something's coming through a front, or something's supposed to rain all day tomorrow.
When we set them, it was colder. Yeah, it was freezing.
Yeah, that's right. So we're at our trailer over Suwannee, so we're just gonna boil them or steam them and pick them and eat them like that. No big deal. But we'll get back to you while we're doing that. Fuel prices went down a little bit. Brand new seawall. Okay, we're just boiling these crabs up, right, Joyce?
Quick tonight. What I did first is I got the water boiling. And I cut up a sweet potato and about 3 red skinned potatoes, and I put them in there for about 6 minutes. So now the crabs are going to go in. I put the big guys on the bottom.
We got some big guys today too.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at that guy. That was
Another
a
one.
surprise.
There's 3. There's another big. His claws got ripped off. And one more. There's like quite a few big ones.
Yeah. Yeah, it surprised us.
Just stick them in there. You know, put the 1/4 cup of vinegar in.
We were the only ones crabbing.
Tablespoon of garlic. Put 2 tablespoons of the Old Bay in there. Put the smaller ones on top. A 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And another tablespoon of Old Bay in there.
Yeah, these crabs are worth it.
They're worth it, yeah.
These look like they're going to be good crabs. They're heavy and it looks like they're really meaty.
boil. So why I do it that way, the potatoes, these crabs are going to cook for 10 minutes. So I gave the potatoes 5 minutes in there, about 5 to 6 minutes or so in the boiling water before you put the crabs in. That way the potatoes get done with the crabs. Because if not, sometimes they come out hard if you try to do 10 minutes. Some potatoes, they don't seem to get done. Really boiling now, so lid's going to go on. That's a timer for 10 minutes. We'll go have a cup of tea while they're cooking. Crabs are done. Ooh, look how nice.
Yeah, they look nice. Some big claws on that one.
Yeah, there's a couple of them. Some of them are really big.
So Joyce, what do you got with these big Suwannee River crabs?
Well, all we have is boiled red skins and sweet potatoes.
Okay, it's just simple tonight.
Real simple.
But that's some nice crabs. Look at that cool.
Yeah, look at them. They're just... That's a pretty crab.
Yeah, that's a nice crab.
Look at the meat. You can see all the meat in
Oh
there.
yeah, he's packing
This one's real packed.
Yep, that one you'll see no hollow in there.
No.
So if you enjoy our videos, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And thanks a lot for watching.